So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to withdraw money from your stake to Binance. So first, you need to access a web browser or a search engine, but in this case, I am using an iOS, so I will use the Safari. And after that, kindly search for the stake.com. And once you're in, you will see this page, but you just have to access your account for you to able to withdraw your money. So just enter your credentials for you to able to access it. Then you will see the Bitcoin logo above with the corresponding logo beside, which is the wallet. So once you click on that, you will see this page, which is this will only pops up when your wallet is not set up or you're not yet verified. So basically, when you're verified, you will see right there the withdraw button as well as the deposit. So in this case, you are going to click the withdraw button and paste the wallet address of your Binance for you to able to proceed in the transaction and received on your wallet. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.